Namaskaram, a place that is known for its flawless boundaries, baked backwaters, enchanting wilds, rich green slopes, delectable food, and what more. A land called God's own nation, Kerala, was born on this very day, November 1st, 1956. On this Kerala Piravidi Day, the spirit of Malayalam is dawned in the heart of every Malayalam. Today, we are miles apart, but I still want to come across the miles and say, Kerala Piravi Ashamsagal.
Hello Christ Negroines, welcome to another golden reverberant episode of Chris Vibes, and this is Anamika Anil. October is no more, it's November, the month of blissfulness. Today, November 1st, the most relevant day for us, the Kerala people. It's the birthday of our land, Kerala. We celebrate this day with admire and gratitude. Cultures grow on blooms of traditions. People all over the world are flabbergasted with its culture and tradition. It reflects in our attire too. Let's watch a prodigious fashion show by our Bambinos.
Planned for the Arabian Sea in the west, the Western Ghats in the east, and networked by 44 interconnected rivers, Kerala is blessed with its unique geographical conditions that has made it one of the most sought-after tourist destinations. A long shoreline with serene beaches, tranquil stretches of emerald backwaters, lush hill stations, and exotic wildlife are just a few of the wonderful things you can see in Kerala. I am privileged to take you through some of these exotic places in Kerala. Come along. Number 1. Kovalam. Kovalam is a beach town in the Arabian Sea which features 3 spectacular crescent beaches separated by rocky headlands. The leisure options at this beach are plenty and diverse. Swimming, skiing, surfing, and Ayurvedic massage are some of them. Climb to the top of the lighthouse. On reaching the summit, we feel all our exhaustion melting away as the first breeze cradles our face. Kumaragam. The tourist village of Kumaragam is relaxed and refined, featuring lushy flowery landscapes and multicolored bird species, which are best enjoyed at the Kumaragam Bird Sanctuary. The village of Kumaragam is a cluster of little islands on the Vembanad Lake, which is Kerala's largest lake. Fishing is the main attraction here. Another main attraction are the houseboats, which are known throughout the world. Fort Kochi. Set your foot into Fort Kochi and you'll be instantly transported to a different time period. Its roots and essence are unique. It's a charming seaside which is famous for its historical architectural wonders and bamboo fishing nets. Visit the Cochin Carnival, Indo-Portuguese museums, Chinese fishing nets, and the Mattancherry Palace, which are just wonderful. So, Tekadi. Home to the country's largest tiger reserve, Periyar, Tekadi is a great way to enjoy jungle vacation. Periyar Natural Sanctuary is surrounded by an artificial lake. India's largest wildlife sanctuary is a dream destination for any tourist visiting India. The 120-year-old Surki Dam built across Periyar is a major tourist attraction. Welcome you to God's own country to experience the plethora of art forms, rituals, and festivals that have been in existence for centuries. Such a rich and traditional experience makes this land unique.
You are what you eat. The place of a food reflects its culture and habits. Our Kerala is filled with mouth-watering dishes. Let me go have my favorite dish.
Nothing brings people together like good food. Thus goes a famous quote. And be very true on that. I must say, good food works magic on us, doesn't it? And where else in the world can we find this magic? Spread out in a wide plantain leaf with an assortment of 30 odd curries. It's right here in our very own God's own country. The Sadhya, the traditional Kerala feast, brings together the 6 days recommended by the Ayurveda. It is also the perfect example of a balanced diet stipulated by the modern medicine. Kerala is known for its cuisine as much as for its culture and natural beauty. The variety of the breakfast and lunch menus of the small state is mind-blowing. When foreigners rave about our idlis, puttu, appam, avial, fish curries and so on. And the dash of coconut makes every Kerala dish authentic. The spices like cardamom, cinnamon, turmeric are Kerala's gift to the world and they bring life to our recipes. People who visit to Kerala would vouch for a variety of payasams. Look how cleverly we brought health into our desserts. Kerala is known for its inclusiveness and receptive nature, and this is reflected in our cuisine too. Yeah, we have adapted many foreign dishes and given it a local twist. Take for instance the tapioca introduced by the Portuguese. I know I got all your mouths watering. See, that's the magic of Kerala food. The place where flavors meet fabulous people. Kerala Biravi wishes to all. Thank you.
The beauty of Kerala makes everyone spellbound. There are amazing songs which echo the capturing beauty of Kerala.
శ్యామవానిలేదో కణికొన్న పూతువో సున్న మల్లి పువ్వు తరునువో ప్రియ గ్రామ కన్య కండునరునువో శ్యామవానిలేదో కణికొన్న పూతువో సున్న మల్లి పువ్వు తరునువో ప్రియ గ్రామ కన్య కండునరునువో కుంకుమపు తాళం కదిరోంది పన్ను కోలం కుంకుమపు తాళం కదిరోంది పన్ను కోలం కండు కొది పూండు గజరాజ మేఘజాలం శ్యామవానిలేదో కణికొన్న పూతువో సొన్న మల్లి పువ్వు తరునువో ప్రియ గ్రామ కన్య కండునరునువో.
Kerala is a picturesque land with exotic beaches, breathtaking hill stations, and soothing backwaters. Kerala is a land of scenic beauty. Every artist would love to capture its awe-inspiring beauty in their palette.
കേരനിരകളാടും ഒരു ഹരിത ചാരുതീരം, പുഴയോരം കളമേളം കവിത പാടും തീരം, കായലലകൾ പുൽകും തണുവലിയുമീറൻ കാറ്റിൽ ഇളഞ്ഞാറിൻ നിലയാടും കുളിരുലാവും നാട്, നിറപൊലിയേകാമെന്നരിയ നേരിനാ പുതുവിള നേരുന്നോരിനിയ നാടിതാ പാടാ കുട്ടനാടിൻ നീളം കേരനിരകളാടും ഒരു ഹരിത ചാരുതീരം.
The traditional dance forms of Kerala express the history of Kerala in the most understanding way. Little bit traditional or contemporary, the dance forms mesmerize each one of us in an unsurpassing grace. I am Neha, sending you all loving Kerala Piravi wishes. Let us love our beautiful and blessed Kerala.
श्याम सुंदर केदार भूमि, जन जीवित फलधान्य संपन्न भूमि, इत श्याम सुंदर केदार भूमि, मानवर्कु समत നൽകിയ മാവേലി തൻ ഭൂമി, മധുരമഹിത ലളിത കലകൾ വിരിയും മലർവാടി, ശ്യാമസുന്ദര കേദാര ഭൂമി.
Good morning, all. It's time for the school updates. Today, November 1st, is the birthday of our Kerala. Our Malayalam department has organized a mesmerizing show to celebrate this day. Do watch and support. The first ever virtual science fair titled Natura Celestia, The Mysterious Alchemist, will be held on November 6th and 7th. We expect your wholehearted participation. Let's move on to the most valuable section of our Chris Vibes, feedback. Many viewers have given us a great feedback about last week's Vijayadashmi special episode. They commented that the program created a divine environment. Thank you all. It is your feedback that makes us get better every week.
Let's love our land. Let's not forget our culture and heritage. Let's be proud to be born in God's own country. I'm wishing you all a happy Kerala Piravi Day. This is Najat Munir signing out. Stay home, stay safe.